This is a demo regarding the Cloudshope Publisher app. This app can be used by you to give out voice call notifications, message notifications, and app notifications to your respective subscribers, that is, your customers who have subscribed to your notification services, by either giving a missed call on your reserved number or by placing the subscription code in their apps. First of all, you need to open the app, click on the icon. If you are a new user, then you have to first of all register yourself by adding in the details by clicking on the register option here. If you have already registered with your details, then you have to click on the login button and enter your credentials. Here I'm using mine. On logging in, you'll find the following page opening up. The first option is regarding the subscribers. On clicking on it, you'll be able to see the list of the subscribers that have subscribed for your notifications. The above list, which is currently empty, will show the list of subscribers who have subscribed by giving a missed call on your reserved number, and the list below shows both who have given a missed call or have used the app and your subscription code to subscribe to your notification services. Then the next option is regarding the reserve number. By clicking on it, you will be redirected to a page where you can see your reserved numbers. These numbers are on which the people give a missed call to get themselves subscribed to your notifications. Since I have reserved no number, so it is showing you do not have any reserve number. You can even select it from an available number list and then buy that reserved number by clicking on the buy option. The next option is regarding the transactional details. By clicking on it, you can see your current balance in front of the wallet balance. You can even add in the money in your wallet balance by clicking on add money. You have to enter the amount here and then click on buy button. On clicking on the buy button, you will be redirected to a payment gateway section where you can choose your comfortable source to add in the money. Below you can see a transactional history section where you will be able to see the history regarding your money addition and deduction from your wallet balance. The next is the about section. By clicking on it, you will be redirected to a page where you can read about our app and its features. Below you will find the contact details to give your feedbacks or get any support from our team. On the right hand side, you can see 3 dots. On clicking on it, you will find the profile option. On clicking on the profile option, you will be able to see your profile details. The subscription code mentioned here will be used by your customers to add into the app and get themselves subscribed to your notification service. You can even edit your profile by clicking on the edit option and then update it. On clicking on the 3 dots, you can also find the logout option if you want to log out of your app till your next use. On the left hand side, you can see the 3 lines. By clicking on them, you will see the following drop down menu. The first option is regarding home. By clicking on home, you will be redirected to the main page. By clicking on the subscribers option, you will be redirected to the subscription list page, which we had talked about earlier. By clicking on the notify option, you can set up your campaigns to send notifications to your subscribers. For voice call, you have to click on the voice call notification option. Here you can see the total number of your customers who have subscribed, the charges that it would take for your current campaign, and the remaining balance that would be in your wallet if you place this campaign. First you have to enter the name of your campaign here, and then you have to either upload a file or select a file from our drop down menu and then click on submit. The next option is for SMS notifications. Here you can see the same details mentioned up here. Then you have to enter your campaign name here, enter your message here, or you can even copy paste it from a Word file or some other source on this block and then click on submit. There is an app notification option. The app notifications are only sent to those customers who have the subscriber app and have subscribed to your notification services. They have to subscribe through their subscriber app to your notification services by entering the subscription code that I had shown you in your profile. The call and the bulk campaigns will work on both customers with the app or without the app, but the app notifications will be only sent to those customers on their apps who have subscribed to your services in their subscriber app. First you have to enter the title here, and then you have to enter the message here or copy paste it from some other source. You can even use an image, banner or poster with this message in an app notification by clicking on the text with the image option. By clicking on the text with the image, you will be redirected to a page where you can select your image. If it's only text, then you will click on the only text option. The next is the reserve number option. By clicking on it, you will be redirected to the reserve number list about which we had talked earlier. The transaction details will redirect you to the wallet balance and the transaction history about which we had seen earlier in the video. Next is the about option. This also we had discussed earlier. Here you can find all about the app and its features and the contact details. Next is the help option. By clicking on it, you will be redirected to our YouTube playlist regarding the publisher app. You will find all the videos there which can help you to see how easy it is to work with our publisher app. There will be demo videos, feature videos, and even use case videos for you to see. If you click on the WhatsApp support, you will be redirected to your WhatsApp support service where our technical teams will take your queries and work on them. That's all regarding this app.